In example 6, we're going to write an equation for each line that meets the criteria that we've been given. For A, we want to find a line that is parallel to the line negative 5x minus 3 and passing through the point 2, negative 12. We know that parallel lines have the same slope, so we're going to use the slope that's given here in the original line, which is negative 5. So we know that our slope is going to be negative 5 for our new line. We want that new line to pass through this point, so we will use this equation to plug in the x and the y values that we have. Negative 12 equals, our slope is going to be a negative 5. Our x value is 2. And we're using these components to figure out what b is equal to, what the y-intercept is going to be. So negative 12 equals negative 10 plus b. If we add 10 to both sides, we get that b is equal to negative 2. So we think that our line is going to be y equals negative 5x minus 2, or f of x equals negative 5x minus 2. Let's go to Desmos to check and see if that matches the criteria that we were looking for. The original line that we were given was negative 5x minus 3, and we wanted our new line to go through this point 2, negative 12, which is down here. And the equation that we came up with is negative 5x minus 2. And we can see that the new line that we created is parallel to the one we started with, and it's passing through the point that we were given. For our next example, we're going to find a line that is perpendicular to a given line and passing through a given point. When we have lines that are perpendicular, their slopes are negative reciprocals. So the slope for our given line is 3. So the slope for our perpendicular line is going to be the reciprocal of 3, which is 1/3 with a negative sign in front of it. So let's use y equals mx plus b to plug in the point that we've been given and the slope, the new slope that we want, and figure out what the y-intercept is. I'll put 1 in for y. Our slope is going to be negative 1/3, and x in this case is negative 3. So 1 equals negative 1/3 times negative 3 is just 1. So when I subtract 1 from both sides, it looks like I'm getting that b is equal to 0. So then the equation of our new line would be negative 1/3 x plus 0, or just f of x equals negative 1/3 x. Let's go to Desmos to take a look at that. So the line we were given was 3x plus 4. We wanted our new line to pass through this point negative 3, 1, and we wanted it to be perpendicular. So we can see that our new line creates a 90-degree angle between the original and it does pass through the point that we were looking for.